In this video, we'll demonstrate how 3M Wrap Film Series 2080 can be cut using 3M Knifeless Tape. Leaving the clear protective film layer on, we've laid the material down over 3 types of Knifeless Tape, and we'll demonstrate how easily these tapes cut through the 2080 material's extra film layer. Notice how easily the protective film layer removes using only a piece of masking tape. These features will enable installers to make all finishing cuts with the liner still in place, resulting in better looking wraps.